Every year, more than 100 million oysters are harvested across global coastlines.
But beyond seafood markets lies a hidden industry transforming discarded oyster shells into one of the world's most valuable biomedical materials.
Ultra-pure calcium, used in medicine, surgeries, dentistry, and advanced biomaterials.
Laboratories. From the depths of coastal aquaculture to pharmaceutical-grade purification laboratories, this is the astonishing journey of how
nature's marine waste becomes high-grade biomedical calcium.
Oyster farming is not only one of the world's largest aquaculture industries, it also produces enormous quantities of calcium-rich shell material once considered waste.
Bring that hopper over here now. All right, backing up, stand clear.
Once the oysters are processed for food, the shells begin a second life, entering one of the most advanced mineral refinement industries on Earth. For biomedical applications, purity is everything. Even microscopic contamination can compromise medical-grade calcium production.
At extreme temperatures, the shells undergo calcination, a critical transformation that converts natural calcium carbonate into highly reactive calcium compound.
The calcium is ground into microscopic particles fine enough for pharmaceutical absorption, surgical biomaterials, and advanced medical applications.
To meet biomedical standards, the calcium must achieve extraordinary purity, pan, suitable for implantation inside the human body. What once protected oysters beneath the ocean is now helping repair human bones, strengthen teeth, and support advanced medical science. From the ocean floor to the frontiers of modern medicine, oyster shells have become far more than biological waste.
Subscribe for more cinematic documentaries exploring the hidden engineering, craftsmanship, and technology behind the world's